My father, Booker No, taught me how to taste bourbon many years ago. First thing you want to do is look at the color of the bourbon. As the color gets deeper and darker, the bourbon gets more complex in flavor. The second step is to look at the nose of the aroma. And when you stick your nose into the glass, keep your lips apart, because if you keep your lips tightly closed, you'll pull more alcohol up into your nasal passages. That will make the nose be abrupt and not really as sweet. The third step in the process, which I think is the most fun of all, is the tasting itself. You know, my dad had a tasting technique known as the Kentucky Chew, where you put the bourbon in your mouth and you just chew on it, working it around your entire mouth to let different parts of the mouth pick up different flavors that are in the bourbon. Hints of vanilla, you know, a little bit of caramel. Ah, boy. And the fourth step is to assess the finish. That's the flavor the bourbon leaves behind after you taste it. You know, that's the 4 steps in how to properly taste a bourbon. I enjoy a hell out of tasting the bourbon.